Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so we can use the formula energy equals mc delta T. And we know our change in temperature is 98 minus 20, which is 78 degrees Celsius. And we know our mass is 252 grams. And we know C is the heat capacity of water, which is 4.18 joules per gram. So now we can just plug in. So energy equals mass, 252 grams, times heat capacity of water, 4.18 joules per gram, times the change in temperature, 78 degrees Celsius. And so, sorry, this is gram degrees Celsius. So we end up getting 162.08 joules. So that's our energy. And then we know our wavelength is 1.55 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. So first can call this EP, energy of P, energy of the soup, to be H C over lambda. So that's the same as 6.626, 10 to the minus 34 times 3 times 10 to the 8th over our wavelength, which is 1.55 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. So basically we're just plugging in Planck's constant and the speed of light in a vacuum and dividing it by our wavelength that we know. So we end up getting the EP to be 1.28 times 10 to the minus 23 joules. Now, to find the number of photons that we need, it's going to be E over EP. So that's 82162.08 joules over 1.28 times 10 to the minus 23 joules. And so our number of photons ends up being 6.42 times 10 to the 27 photons.